Hello from Slovenia again. I will experiment some more with this, I don't know how to call this 3D look flowers that I achieved with layering in particular order. So today I will do blues. So just I will put this aside and I will start with phthalo blue, phthalo cyan blue, and I will not do leaves today, so I will go a little more to the sides to see what effect I can achieve, and maybe I will do another one here. And next one will be metallic blue. These are craft metallics from one of our stores here in Slovenia, but I love them. I don't know if you can buy this somewhere else, because it's just a craft store and they have some acrylic paints too. I don't use other paints, but these metallics I use because I love them. These are my craft metallics. And next will be Winsor blue. And I just want to say that you will hear noises from the background. I get some comments that I should shut up my dogs, but I will not. They are here with me and they're barking, so if this bothers you, I'm so sorry, but my dogs live here with me and they are not in the cages or something, so if they bark, they do. If this bothers you, please, you have mute button, so mute your video, or I don't know, I will not remove my dogs from my space just because few people think that I should. I have a lot of animals and they live free here with me and my partner, so that's how we live. And next I will do sky blue. And maybe some of this winsor blue again. And I will add some of this Naples yellow light hue next. and maybe some of this aqua metallic on top, because I like this combination. They look just wonderful together. Oops. I don't have my metallics in squeeze bottles because I don't use them as much as other paints, so and I will do another layer, maybe like this, but I will try to add just little puddles or dots, I should say. And some cerulean. Some sky blue. Some of this aqua blue. Phthalo. And some of these naples. And I will add some of gold. I will do a little more of this blue here. And as I said, I will not do leaves today. Whoops, I just forget that I mixed some of this metallic white just to add a little bit in between, maybe. I will use a saran wrap today again. Whoops! It's almost fall. Now I will just gently press these paints. And here we go. See some spots, blank spots here on the side, so I will just add a little of this black and wait this for this flower to react a little bit. And when you torch, this metallics reacts and gave just beautiful effects, or at least I like them. Just have to press this a little bit. So maybe I should add greens, but I just want to have just a flower without green today. Just pop an air bubble here because it was so big that I didn't want to torch it. Just see some air bubbles still, so I will torch a little more. Maybe I should add dots of this kind of sky blue and aqua blue around, but I don't know. I like this, how it turns out, so it's really looking 3D. I will take you for a close-up to see. I will just do this because, whoops, sorry. I don't know if I will be able to show you this shimmer. Maybe this way. No, it's so hard to catch this on camera. Maybe this way you'll see some of this shimmery effect. So with metallics between you can get this 3D looking flower. You see, I just love it. so beautiful. But in real it's even more beautiful. I can't show you all its beauty on the camera because just can show the shimmer. Maybe I don't know. I'm not completely satisfied. I know that some of you will comment that I'm never satisfied, but I just didn't want to have this round. That I was hoping for more diverse flower. I don't know what the right word is, but I love this center, just gorgeous, and I love this lacing. See, we'll try to show you. But I will still play with this because I'm not completely satisfied. So this is it for today. I hope that you learned something too, like I did, and see you on the next one. Bye!